Hi guys, our lesson today is gonna be preparation of smear. We would like to prepare our bacterial sample for uh, testing under microscope. We would like to visualize this bacteria. The first step is to prepare the smear for microscopic testing. And this is an easy lesson, but it should be done as follows in order. So the first thing you have to do is you prepare you bring your bacterial mixture, whether in a broth, that means it is in a liquid phase, or in a solid, in a nutrient agar, in petri dish, or in a slant. So if regardless of the source, you just take a loop full of it and then smear it, or just put it into slide on a slide. And I would prefer if you make a black circle, so all your work will be in this black circle, and this will make things easy for you, and you can visualize where you are working on. So if you have it in a broth, that means it is liquid, there is no problem. You just need one drop, and then you spread this drop on your slide and go for the second step. If not, if it comes, your bacterial mixture comes from a nutrient agar or from a slant, you need to put it into the circle on the slide, and then you mix it with a drop of saline or a distilled water. Then you mix them together and then you spread them. Now we are going to the second step, but before the second step you have to sterilize your loop and then leave it till it becomes a little bit not highly heated. That means it's now cold, and then spread your bacteria on the slide. Then again you sterilize your loop and allow your slide to air drying. When you finish all this, fix the smear using heat fixation. That means on just above the heat source, you move your slide for some time. Do not heat it till it burns. Or you can use also a chemical fixation. That means you take your smear and cover it with 95% methanol for 1 minute. After you finish preparation of your slide, you are ready now for staining your bacteria or bacterial slide and visualize it under microscope. This is all about today, but we have a question. We will answer it in the second slide. In the last slide, we used the term fixation. So why fixation of bacteria is important? It is important for three reasons, and those reasons are really important. We cannot overlap it, otherwise we may have some problems when we visualize our bacteria. First reason is to kill the bacteria itself. So the bacteria under test should be killed first, and the coagulation of bacteria or bacterial protein will stick the bacteria on the slide. So I need the bacteria in its place, so I don't need any time to look for another field in order to look for my bacteria under test. Well, the second one is going to be fixing the nature's bacterial enzymes. So the bacterial enzymes are going to be break down, and this will allow preventing autodigestion of bacterial cell. The bacterial cell will not digest itself, and autodigestion is meaning autolysis, and so there is no autolysis when I apply fixation to this smear. Also, fixing or fixation allows the bacterial cell to preserve shrinkage or distortion when stained. So the bacteria will not shrink nor distort, and keep itself as it is and become easy to be tested. This is why fixation is important, and you have to know this before we go to the real program, which is staining of the bacteria, which is going to be our next lesson, not today's lesson. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you enjoy this little session.